Today, I'm visiting Lake George, often called the Queen of the American Lakes. With its crystal clear waters and tree-lined shores, it's one of the most stunning spots in upstate New York. And right on its own private island is the Sagamore Resort, a historic getaway that has been welcoming guests for over a century. And aside from the luxurious facilities here, the hotel has a rich culinary history, and I was lucky enough to sneak into the kitchen for a masterclass from the executive chef. Marco, this is where it all happens, right?
Yes, it is.
You not only have one restaurant here, how many restaurants do you have?
We have a total of 7 restaurants.
7 restaurants?
Yes.
So you're a busy man.
Very busy.
Tell me a little bit about this resort. It's so unique.
It's got a long history all the way from 1896. Owned by Ocean Properties, which is an Opal collection. It's a family-owned company, and I've been fortunate enough to work for them throughout all the United States.
This is a luxury resort, which means luxury style food, and today you're going to be cooking me something quite opulent.
Maine lobster tail risotto.
Some of the best lobster in the world comes from there.
Some of the best.
And scallops too?
Scallops, they're straight from Portland, Maine.
Oh, they are the biggest
Bristol.
Scallops I've ever seen. So what have you been doing there?
So here I'm cutting up a little bit of the mirepoix, then I'm gonna make a lobster sauce with the lobster bodies, because in Maine we don't like anything to go to waste, especially lobster.
Yeah, so this is the whole lobster.
So we got the body, the knuckles, the claw, and the tail.
And does that all go straight in together?
All of it goes straight in together.
It already smells amazing.
That's just the flavors from the body.
Yeah.
Back to the stove. So a little bit of white wine. You can hear the sizzling starting.
So good.
A little bit of sherry vinegar, just a little bit. Once that comes up to a boil and reduces for about 5 minutes, what I'm gonna do is add a little bit of the cream.
It's going to be really rich, but delicious.
I like to leave it about 20, 25 minutes and let it just reduce it down. This is the consistency you're gonna get, and I like to incorporate a little bit of butter.
Quite a lot of butter, Marco. Wow, a lot.
Well, I don't add the whole thing, just a
Not
little
the
bit.
whole thing,
No.
it's just for show.
Yes, so I'm gonna take a little bit of butter. And we just keep shaking it. Once you see the butter slowly disappearing, pull it out from the heat. It's still got the heat right underneath the pan, so it doesn't break.
It's like velvet. So good.
Okay, now after that, we're gonna cook the scallops. And what I like to do is add a little bit of salt. So I get the pan nice and hot.
And scallops, they're just so delicate. The worst thing you could do with a scallop is overcook it, right?
Yes.
How long do you cook those scallops of that size?
That size, I like to do about 2, maybe 3 minutes on each side.
Beautiful crust on
So
it.
now I got a beautiful golden color on one side. So once I flip to the other side, I like to add a touch of white wine. Give that a little stir. And then my pound of butter that I have, I like to take a little bit of a slab.
Marco, I should tell you, I have French heritage. So this butter is not a shock to me, really. The more butter you use, the happier I am.
I almost like to do almost like a brown butter.
Yep.
And I'll take the pan, start basting each one. See the golden color?
Yeah.
And I do the same thing like I did the sauce. I like to pull it from the heat.
Right.
And once the butter is closed slowly, then I have my sauce. It's removed from the heat. I take a little bit of parsley, fresh parsley diced, spread it right around. And now that's done.
I mean, that's a meal in itself, but we're going to take it one step further.
We are. We're going to actually move on to the risotto. I'm going to go ahead and add a little bit of shallots, a little bit of garlic. Take a little bit of lobster.
Okay.
I'm going to saute it right with the garlic and shallots. And this is where it gets interesting. I add a little bit of sherry
Nice.
right into the lobster. Then I go ahead and add the rice.
It's par cooked, which is a very smart idea when you're making big batches of it and working in big restaurants like these.
Yes. Then I go ahead and add a little bit of cream.
Yep.
I'll add a little bit of Parmigiano Reggiano. So the last step, I'm going to remove it from the heat.
Yep.
I'm going to do the same process I did the other steps. Butter. Can't go wrong with butter. So you just keep shaking it. And then once that's done, I'm going to show you how to break down a lobster tail.
And this is it when it's raw, so you can see the colour of it, and it changes completely as it's just flash boiled very quickly. How long did you boil that for?
This one, it's a soft shell lobster.
Yeah.
So I actually just boiled it for 8 minutes. I take the tail piece off, and I take my thumb, push it, and then I take my rest of the hand with the little sucker, and there you go.
There it is.
And I'll take it and cut it right in half. You got your lobster. Okay, now we're gonna plate up. I'm not very shy when it comes to the risotto. So I'll take the largest piece, which is the tail. I showcase it. Our seared Maine scallops. Take our lobster tail that we just finished cooking. I'm gonna take a little bit of the sauce. So I'm gonna put it right on top.
Wow. Is this for one person or would this be for two people?
This would be for one.
It's for one person.
For one person. And what I like to do is take this thing, which is a smoked trout caviar. If you want to take it to the next level with the color, the red sorrels actually look phenomenal with it. Take it right like that.
That's stunning. Marco, that's a masterpiece.
Thank you. Now, please enjoy.
Thank you. I think I'm going to start with the scallop. Oh, look at that. Pearly white in the centre. I'm going to taste some of that cream with it. It's so good. Marco. It's just the best. And I'm going to try the lobster. Buonissimo. It's so good. It really is.
This is just a taste. I hope you come over and enjoy all of our restaurants in our beautiful Sagamore, and we try to stick to local ingredients and fresh and get some of the best.
Guys, do yourself a favour. If you're going to come to New York, come to Lake George, the Sagamore Resort. It is incredible. It's worth the trip, even for this dish. It's the best. I love it. Really good.